Your man pays way too much attention to his ex and way less to about his ex and not you. And for that, I'd like to apologize. I didn't mean to be a part of that. Especially because I genuinely think Jacobs is a cool human being. Secondly, don't believe things you see on the internet, guys. People on the internet have the advantage of portraying something they want you to believe and see when it's not actually facts. Me and Sasha were a duo at a point, right? Sasha had a car.
Eish.
Sasha had a car. I didn't have a car. Why? Because, like I've already said to you guys, I'm a humble human being. He already had the numbers. He already had the followers. So I was like, bro, you know what? It's cool. Take the car. This car can be yours. I'm not saying I'm not saying none, but like, if you guys go look at like his TikToks, when they're shooting nice videos chilling, it's in the Mercedes Benz. But whenever a car is moving, it's not in a Benz. Guys, the way you guys only like see half of the shit and see like, bro, like it's crazy. I'm not gonna say too much now, bro. Where's the car? It's at his house. The car's at his house. The car's at his house, bro. But like, let me just put it like this. For you to find the car, you have to know where I live. That's all I'm gonna say.
Now I'm lost.
If you own a car and I use it, if I decide to disappear with the car, you have to know where I live to find the car.
Oh.
All I'm gonna say is that Russian niggas are dangerous. There's a reason that language doesn't sound attractive, bro. Slakovic.
When the video dropped, did the video drop? Please check on Sasha's channel. Sasha's channel.
Huh?
Sasha.
Yes.
Sasha. Where's your phone?
Oh. My phone's right here. Oh gosh, I hope he meant.
Why are you guys lying?